Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dem Tech. Today I want to talk about content creating cameras for people who's just starting. I believe that the cameras that you pick should be quite simple to use in the beginning, and as you begin to get better, should have the features and the options as a professional. So here's 3 cameras that I love. First one is the Minolta ProShot 20 megapixel. It's my first camera I use for my content creating. I use it quite often for lots of things. It has plenty of settings, professional, and it has beginner settings. It also has a great Wi-Fi feature that I love to use. I can put my camera on a tripod, step away 25, 50 feet, take pictures, take video, and use it straight from my phone. Nice camera for beginners. And like I said, you can carry this through when you become very good and professional. It has a 67 optical zoom. It's full 1080p. I know a lot of people want 4K, but if you're using it for YouTube, Facebook, or any other social platform, most people are using 1080p on their phones. So this is still a great option. And up next, we have the Sony ZV-E10. Great versatile camera with all of the features that the Minolta has, but it also has some extra features. Interchangeable lenses. It has a built-in mic jack, so you can plug in your mic. Very nice for vlogging, taking pictures, very smooth video. I love this camera also. It works very well. It has options, so if you want a slow-mo picture, just hit a button. If you want blurry background, just hit a button. So it's very easy for the beginner. The cost is a little more than the Minolta, but like the Minolta, high quality, pretty good price, and great for taking pictures, vlogging, and creating content. This camera also has a very fast focus. If you're putting a product up to the screen, real quick, it pops right in focus. Very good camera for that. It has face tracking, eye tracking, all the intangibles that a good camera should have for beginners to be able to have good, smooth, quality video. And last but definitely not least, the Canon R50. Oh, what a camera. I love this camera. This camera is definitely a step up for bridge cameras, interchangeable lenses, and we all know Canon makes great products, especially when it's for vlogging, taking pictures, content creating, YouTube. This one here, it's going to turn a lot of heads, I tell you. And for beginners, it has Scene Intelligent Auto Advance option. Great for beginners. Awesome. This camera will be great for shooting small movies and definitely will impress you with your vlogging. Very clear, crisp, smooth video. Very light. It's not heavy at all, not bulky. Awesome. Awesome camera. The Canon R50. And one of the features I like the most, just like I like with my Minolta, is the Wi-Fi connectivity. You can't beat that with that Wi-Fi connectivity. It has you to be able to do a lot of things. Put your pictures right away up to your cell phone. Post them right away if you like. Edit your video right on your phone. There's a lot of things you can do with it. So, like I said, this is definitely the head honcho for content creators as far as I'm concerned. So if you got anything from this video, please like and subscribe. And once again, have a blessed day.